Good morning, everyone. Aradhna Tiwari from Be the Change by Aradhna, an Access Consciousness Certified Facilitator, and your friend for today's question. Just waiting for all of you to join in, and a very, very happy Sunday. Today, everybody is on Sunday. Hi, Sarvana. Good morning. Hi, Darsha. Good morning. Good morning. How's the happy Sunday? Hi, Payal. Good morning. How's the morning? Hi, Umesh. Good morning. Good morning. Hi, Simran. Good morning. How's the Sunday morning going, guys? Hi, Viral. Long time. Sameer, sorry. Good morning. Good morning. Happy morning. Happy morning. Hi, Devika. Good morning. So today is get rid of all experiences. Isn't that beautiful? It is so profound in my world. Wonder what that has been with you. But it's like actually if you give up all your experiences of how you touch, feel, sensed until today, and I have always been talking about we are here to have experiences, and when this whole thing came up in my world of giving up all the experiences, it was like, wow. I mean, I never thought of that I can actually choose to give up my experiences and all the experiences I have been believing into, that this is required, and holding on to those experiences, I was kind of going away with my point of views, my reality. I was destroying and uncreating all of that stuff, but I had never even it just like bounced on my face like, wow, because such a key holder of experiences. So it's been weird. It's been a different space, and it's amazing how this uncomfortable space has also started becoming like a part of my life, where everything sounds so uncomfortable, and suddenly when these kind of things show up of giving up of experiences, giving up your life and past experiences, it's like, wow, uh, what else is possible here? It's actually like, I wonder if anybody of you has played it until now, but then actually today is a Sunday, and maybe a Monday with a new start, with a new place, new sheet, and everything is new. So, and it's like when everything goes away. So right now, even if you guys experience it, if everything goes away, if you give up all your experiences in this very moment, who is left? What is left other than you? So the only thing left is you. And to observe that is so much of space, and sometimes the space becomes so uncomfortable and uncanny. It's weird. But yes, being with it. So I wonder if anybody has any questions around it. Any confusion. I think it's the most simplest thing one can be and do, and it's also it really is actually gelling up with the interesting point of view challenge as well, where it is about everything is just an interesting point of view. Your experiences are also interesting point of view. So everybody who has not still yet joined 100 days of interesting point of view challenge, come on, guys. It's a great time. I wonder, you never know what next moment is, but this is a great moment to join in that challenge, because it actually is bringing up so much in so many people's world, and we all together doing it is really making a lot of difference in our own worlds. If you really, really want to change something in your life, do something, have different choices available, come on, step up to those interesting point of views, and to write every day those interesting point of views. And when you're going into your head with this uncomfortability, being an interesting point of view is amazing. And now on top of it, giving up all my experiences is going to be amazing journey. Hi, Harveen. Welcome. Good morning, sweetheart. How are you? So hi, Vineet. Good morning. So what else is possible? So today is get rid of all your experiences, which is of senses, all your five senses, whatever you have experienced today in your life, like touch, feel, sense, smell, anything, heard, whatever you're holding, just right now, right away, relax, receive, release, and now start flowing. So we've added flow after what Monica said yesterday. So I have added that to the whole thing of receive, relax, release, and flow. So what if you can actually release all your interesting point of views, all your experiences, all your touch, feel, senses, whatever you've been holding from your, how many point of views do we hold from our childhood? My mom did this, I ate that, and that was yummy. And we actually are living so much of our lives from our childhood. We are so very much into our childhood, wherever when we were growing up. And I always thought that I would never do that. I will always be in the moment where I'm living in, which was the case. But then now, now at times I just catch myself that actually I'm catching everybody else and making myself go also to the childhood. What if there is no complaints, so nothing to hold on, and this is a blank paper, blank sheet to walk forward. And what else is possible? I don't think I have much to say more. If unless you guys have any questions, I'm happy to take. And also starting with Talk to Entities tomorrow. If anybody is choosing to join in, please join in, because the online option has been extended until 15th October. So tomorrow is the intro. Anybody who's not done anything around entities and not access can also join in just for the intro. And it's, I think, 12 o'clock, 12 to 1:30 or something like that. So if you guys want to join in, hop in, know about entity world, receive from them too, and have their experience and have fun with them too, and receive money and joy from them as well, because that's a parallel world that is actually always going around us. I wonder, a lot of people have this phobia of that I cannot sleep in the night, I cannot talk about the ghost in the night, and ghosts are scary, and even if you will talk it, I will not go to the loo, I will not do this. I just want to say, even if you guys join it, not join it ever in your life, but keep my words, they're not scary unless you make them scary. It's your point of view which is creating your reality. They are not at all scary. You are more scarier than them. So what are you seeing in them? That is you, and which you're not acknowledging. So if you're scared of them, you're scared of you. So start acknowledging that, and you are the most important entity of your life. If you take the charge, no one can ever scare you and fear you around it. And don't lose on the fun you can have with them, because they are actually beautiful. They actually contribute a lot, and it can be a very fun journey with them. Good morning, Vijaya. How are you? So all the experiences of the ghosts and the spirits and the stories that you've heard so far until today, would you let them go too? So receive, it's like relax, receive, relax, release, and flow with entities too. And in case you want to learn more around it, you're most welcome to come join me from tomorrow for next 1 week. So it's 1.5 hours every day if you want to join it. If not, it's okay, but don't be scared of entities ever. They are good friends. You can talk to them as I'm talking to you. They're as reachable as I am and you are. Awesome. So Vijaya, today you joined in late, so today's was to get rid of all your experiences. Just let hi Yugji, good morning Seenat. So just let all your experiences flow out today. Just release, and keep asking for new. And it's like, for me, it's like since morning, I'm like, what should I ask? What do I live? What do I have to be today? I have no idea what it is all about. So no reference points. And hi Yogi, good morning. So it's like no reference points left, no space. Everything, every new moment is a moment. It's actually a new moment for me. It's a surprise, and what will show up today is gonna be a fun journey. Hope you guys are having fun journey. So join in for interesting point of view. If you haven't, do you read my interesting point of view? Please correct where I'm wrong. I do read everybody's interesting point of views, Vijay, but nobody's ever wrong. So you're not to be corrected. There is nothing to be corrected. Interesting point of view itself is correcting, and it is a journey. Actually, if you actually watch interesting point of view journals from everybody, and I would say that go read them. Just read them for all, and you will get the sense that how much of a complaining we are only saying, guys, how we do, why I'm sharing is here is because that's what we're creating, and I would really want to put that word across here with you guys, that we are only say, I am not this, I cannot do this. I watched mine also when I was writing, I cannot do this, I can do this, I cannot do this. And we are so much involved and putting so much of energy into only cannot and can. Just be it, do it, be it. I mean, we're looking, those are just the excuses that we have been giving so far to our lives and living, that because we really don't want to choose that and change it. So if you keep reading yours, Vijay, if you go back and read your 10 times, and not from the space of the wrong and the right, nobody can be wrong, nobody can be right, we just are. So if you read them, follow them, you will change them. yourself. And anyways, Monday is gonna be the hot seat, so which is like anybody's interesting point of views, which are gonna be matching most of the interesting point of views of the challenge. I'm gonna pick one person from every Monday for next 3 months and read their interesting point of views and how to go about it. So keep posting, and I wonder who will be chosen, because I'm not gonna go with the name. I'm just gonna go with the energy, reading all the interesting point of views, whichever catches me more. I will announce the name maybe by the evening so that that person is available. And if that person is not going to be available, please do mention it to me. I might change it to somebody else. Awesome. Have a beautiful Sunday, guys, and keep deleting, releasing all your experiences. Create new, have fun, and be joyful. And even if you're not joyful, just be. It's okay to be at times. Bye. I don't see any more questions. So looking forward to see you tomorrow at 11:11 again. And today is an amazing talk show by Sheetal. She is actually clown. So she helps clowning. She does clowning for all the hospitals in Delhi and for most of the government hospitals, and also has started in private. How she changes people's world just by laughing, giggling, and making them happy, and how people have actually recovered who were almost dying, that they required the joy to actually get up and go. So it is like that Munna Bhai movie where how Sanjay Dutt does things and he changes people's world. So what if your touch, your life, your smile can actually is changing and giving life to people? Be that energy. So please come watch the talk show this evening. It's from 7 to 8 and it's going to be a very interesting one. If you cannot make it, of course, there will be the recording on the page of Be The Change page on Facebook. So I'm very eager and excited to talk how she has given up other professional world, and she's so involved into clowning, because it was so new to me. I couldn't register for a longest while what does clowning looks like, and unless I spoke to her, and that was like, wow, how much can we do and be, and then we say that we don't have anything to do and we cannot. At least if you cannot do something, but you can smile and you can make joyful, and you can actually contribute people who are actually devoid and who do not know how to laugh and smile and giggle. You know it, so go be that contribution. Good morning, Alka. Good morning, Shivangi. It reminds me again of our presence matters. Yes, Sumesh, definitely. Thank you for saying that again, and it does matter. Your presence is already a gift, and whatever, even if you're sitting alone in the house, it matters, guys. It just matters, and I totally get that energy. At times I do get low. It's not that I'm perfect or something, and I also feel like shit, yeah, what am I creating, what am I doing also on the planet? I think it's time for me to go, and that's an interesting point of view. I have this point of view, and then I'm like, who is in my head speaking now? Out. That's when my entity world has like just out of me right now. I'm here, I'm not leaving. Whatever contribution I can be, at least for myself. It's just such a beautiful world to see, such a beautiful planet to watch, smile, giggle. So why would you not choose? So choose yourself, keep giving up. And when you I just wanted to say, when you keep giving up the experiences of that, how you actually how your mentors tell you do this, the other person says do this, the other person says do this, and then if a snake is coming, if your mentor or your guru is saying keep sitting, would you keep sitting? Would that work? So what works? Go with your knowing, with your empowerment within you, how to experience that, not based on what people are saying, what article is saying, what some book is saying. What do you know about it? And you know it, and make that experience most amazing for you. Do not actually go from the reference. If you'll be aware, if a lion is sitting or snakes are coming around, how would you react to them? It is not that you already pre-know it, but there is an animal who's so new to you and you do not know how to be with that. How would you react to that? What action would you take there? So it's like, just go, be present with everything and see what you gonna take an action. Maybe you know how kids just go grab dogs from their ears or the tails, and the dogs don't say. But the same thing, if the adults do it, it really matters, because they have a point of view and kids don't have a point of view. So all your point of views, all your experiences are holding you to live life. So go live, be awake, and keep flowing. That's amazing. Who's in the head speaking to me? Yes. How present we can be in the moment just by being aware. Yes, totally present, and the life will be very, very different. Trust me, play it if it's fun. If it is not, then I'm sure your life is working as it was working for you until now, and good luck for that. Chalo, bye. Have fun, guys. Enjoy yourself. Have a beautiful Sunday, and see you tomorrow. And anybody who's interested, join us for the talk show in the evening. Bye bye.